At the grocery store. Entering the store asking for a cart.
Hi. Excuse me, where can I get a shopping cart?
They're right by the entrance. Just outside the door. Use. Shopping cart, US, trolley, UK. Basket, small hand carry ones. Asking where items are.
Where can I find the pasta?
It's in aisle 4, next to the rice.
Thanks. And do you sell almond milk?
Yes, it's in the refrigerator section, near the dairy. Use these questions. Do you sell blank? Where is the blank section? Refrigerated section means cold shelves for milk, yogurt, etc. At the produce section, fruits, vegetables.
Let's see, I need 2 cucumbers, some carrots, and a bunch of bananas.
These tomatoes look fresh today.
Yeah, and they are on sale, £2 for $1.
Key produce terms. A bunch of bananas or grapes. A head of lettuce. A bag of potatoes. Fresh means recently picked, good quality. Looking for household items.
Excuse me, do you have any laundry detergent?
Yes, cleaning products are in aisle 9.
Thank you. And where's the toilet paper?
Just around the corner, end of aisle 10. Use. Do you carry blank? More formal. I'm looking for blank. Around the corner means nearby, just past something. At the checkout.
Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, thank you.
Do you have a store loyalty card?
No, I don't.
Your total is $32.80. Would you like a bag?
Yes, 1 bag please. Can I pay by card?
Sure. Insert or tap your card when you're ready.
Payment methods. Pay by card, cash, mobile. Insert means put in chip. Tap means contactless. Swipe is older card method. Leaving the store.
Cashier. Here's your receipt. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Review useful phrases to practice. Repeat after me. Where can I find blank? Do you have any blank? I'll take 2 of these. How much is this? Can I pay by card? Do you have a bag? Challenge for viewers. Can you make your own grocery shopping dialogue in English? Write it in the comments or practice with a friend.